2023玉山论坛今开办，前美国驻联合国大使克拉夫特嘛特别来到台湾来参加，展现友台立场。也拿总统蔡英文是表示，爱加强区域同伴合作，向全世界来发声，台湾是安全、值得信赖的朋友。
2023玉山论坛11在台北举行，今年主题是为亚洲发展开启新蓝图。因为疫情解封，真侪国重要的政治人物和友邦诺鲁的总统拢亲身来参加。总统蔡英文嘛强调，爱加强区域伙伴的合作，嘛当甲世界讲台湾是安全、会当信任的伙伴。
In the face of mounting threats of authoritarianism and climate change, as well as a global restructuring of supply chain, Taiwan is a secure and reliable partner.
I am here to assure you my belief in the firm U.S. commitment to Taiwan's defense. I was proud to support our commitment to Taipei during my service.
前美国驻联合国大使克拉夫特嘛受到邀请来参加。2021年初在任的期间，伊捌计划要访台，因为迄当阵受到美国国内政治情势影响，无法度来。但是伊真侪摆拢替台湾来发声，立场是对台湾真友善。这摆伊总算来啊！美日俄重要的政治人物做伙拢发声来关心台海安全。
Taiwan's future is uniquely central to global peace and security, and we all understand that that future is under constant threat.
The peace and stability of the Taiwan Strait is essential, not only for the security of the people of Taiwan, but also for the security of some 24,000 Japanese people living in Taiwan, for the security of our country.
带领史上上大国会访团来祝福台湾国庆的弗鲁亚克日，是重申日本支持台湾的立场，嘛谴责中国扩张的军事行动，破坏区域安全和稳定。认为讲民主伙伴应该要共同守护台湾和台海和平。嘛希望明年的总统大选，台湾会当继续向世界来展览上骄傲的民主。记者综合报道。